Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur. Check this out. 2026 Grand Design Foundation 42 GD. The GD stands for gosh darn, this thing is big. So I'm not going to spend much time on the outside. I got to get you on the inside, but there is a couple of things I want to show you. Great looking wheel and tire setup. I haven't seen Steelies like that. That's pretty cool. And then on the back, we've got this patio with a spiral staircase and an upper deck, and there's Old Glory. And this is our nation's 250th birthday. What a great gift to yourself. There's the foundation badging. What a great gift to yourself for our nation's birthday to get this beast. So let's climb inside and take a tour. So very bright, high ceilings. I would say these are 9-foot ceilings. I can generally touch about 8 feet with my fingertips. And freezer on the bottom, French doors, refrigerator, 4-burner cooktop, oven, microwave oven, plenty of cabinets. I do want to show you a couple of the cabinets. So this is a really nice setup. And then you have this rubber mat to keep things in their place so they don't slide around or fly around. Cabinets and drawers. This is kind of unique. I don't know the premise behind it, but I would say it's maybe wheelchair accessible. And then you have this little party pit right here. Pretty cool. Fireplace, flat screen TV, ceiling fan, HVAC. As we look out the back patio door, there's that spiral staircase, and I'm not going to try to open that, but you can see the upper patio. Can't see the American flag. There's a flag pole as we spin around, and I cannot get up there. I can get up there to show you a little bit, but there's no way I'm going to be able to get up and crawl around. But talk about a rassle castle. If you have kids, grandkids, you won't see them. They come up here and they're going to be up here for a long time. Really a cool area. You can sleep over there, but of course, honestly, they could sleep anywhere. You could just pile them up there. Now, this is a destination trailer. Once you get it to the destination, you're done moving it. So, bathroom, shower. Let's see if I can make a light there, make it a little brighter. Very, very nice. And I like the walls here, nice and bright white with the black accents. Very cool. I'll show you that bay window in a moment. Nice size bed, plenty of cabinet space. We have drawers there, easy close or soft close cabinets. Let me move over here and show you this, a stackable washer and dryer. And you would need that for a destination trailer. So this would be great if you own some property. And I like this beadboard back here. Very, very elegant. Flat fireplace, flat screen TV, bank of drawers. Great place to sit down and put your shoes on. And then this is a bay window. And I'll take this from the top here, but just a beautiful, beautiful bay. And then you can pull down the shade. I won't pull it down. I want to leave it up so others can look out. So very, very cool. So again, it's a Grand Design 2026 42 GD. And as I said, it stands for gosh darn, it's big. So any comments, questions, leave them below. And I've got a link below for new, used service parts at Bill Thomas Camper, and also a dishwasher, under cabinet lighting as well. I don't think I forgot anything. Anyway, any comments, questions, leave them below. We'll catch you on the next video. Thanks again.